For video 6 of radical expressions and functions, we're basically just going to play with the calculator, specifically figuring out how to call up the cube root, or higher roots, so 4th roots, 5th roots, 6th roots, 10th roots. Yes, they exist. So what we're going to go ahead and do here is we're going to click on the math key, and then as you can see, option 4 is where your cube root is actually chilling out. So you can either arrow down and highlight it, or you can press 4 on your keypad. If you do highlight it, go ahead and hit enter, and it's pulled to your home screen. So say we wanted to check one of the questions from the previous video. Let's do negative 1,000. One thing to note here is that your negative key is located right next to your enter key. So the negative key is different than the subtraction key. So I'm going to enter that in, and then we'll do 1,000. And this is pretty much it. I'm done. I've entered my problem. I can go ahead and hit enter, and I do get negative 10 as my solution. So again, just to repeat that process for the cube root of 8, we're going to go to math. We're going to select option 4. And then I'm just going to enter in that radicand value underneath. So from here, I'm done. If I wanted to, I could arrow out from underneath it. You know, if I have some extra stuff that I have to do for that problem, that's fine. And then when I am done, I'm going to hit enter, and I see that the cube root of 8 is 2, and which we had kind of already known from previous video. So just in case you are interested, and we are going to be covering roots that are a little bit bigger, what would we do if we wanted to, say, do the 5th root of 32? So you're going to want to select option 5. So notice that you have a root symbol, but then it has the X in the place of the index. So basically they're kind of saying you can kind of fill it in. It's choose your own adventure, if you will. So I'm going to select this option. And notice here, when it comes to my home screen, it's left blank. It's no longer an X there. So I'm going to say I want this to become a 5th root. And then in order to fill in the radicand, I'm going to arrow over until my cursor falls into that position. And I'm going to put 32 in there, just because I'm choosing 32. Hit enter. And we see that the 5th root of 32 is 2. So I hope this video helped out. You definitely will want to have it at the ready for the next video, and I will see you over there.